Hello everyone, welcome to Math Gym channel with me Mr. D, your gym instructor. So this is a new math channel, yeah, in YouTube. So hope everyone found my channel and uh, please subscribe and then share my video if you like it. Yeah. So in this YouTube channel, so like the name is gym, so we're gonna exercise with more math questions from easy and then until the difficult part. So if you have any requests also, please put your put your comment, sorry, put your comment below. Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous since this is my first video. So please put your comments with uh, what kind of questions that you want me to explain. Okay, a little bit introduction. My name is Mr. D. Of course, it's a anonymous names. Yeah. So I'm from Indonesia. So if you're from Indonesia or Southeast Indonesia, please write your comment below so I can notice that you're same with me. Yeah. So today we're gonna explain about SEAMO paper E 2017. This is from SEAMO is actually based on Singapore, yeah, Southeast Asian Mathematics Olympiad. But if you're from US or from any other region, so if you want me to go with your questions or your math competition questions, so feel free to just type your comments and then uh, show me which question that you want me to explain. Okay, so this is from 2017 paper E. Paper E is for grade 9 and 10, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, for number 8. I agree that this one also can be helpful for you to learn about trigonometry. So our first questions in this channel about trigonometry. For those of you who doesn't know trigonometry yet, okay, so trigonometry actually is a ratio of a sides in triangle, yeah, comparing to the angles. Okay, so we always start with the easy one, which is the right angle triangle. So if I have right angle triangle here, and then this is the angle Q, this is the right angle, so this is the angle Q. The front sides of the, or the opposite sides of the angle, we call as opposite. And then the side in between the angle and 90 degrees, we call adjacent side. And then the sides is, or the long sides, which is at the front of the 90 degrees, we call as a hypotenuse side. In trigonometry itself, there is three ratios. The most common, actually, there is 6, but the most common uh, ratio is 3. We can call as a sine Q, which is from opposite over hypotenuse, cos Q, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then the last one is tangent Q, which is opposite over adjacent. Look at the questions. Let's go back to the questions. Cos Q is m square minus n square over m square plus n square. Find sine Q. Okay, based on this rule, we know that this one will be adjacent side, and then this one will be hypotenuse sides, right? Okay, so if we go to our right angle triangle, so we can call this one it's m square minus n square, and then this one m square plus n square. Now, in here, we need some algebraic skill from here, yeah? Since we know in right angle triangle, if you have this kind of rule, we can use Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem says a square plus b square will be equals to c square. Now, for this case, the c will be the hypotenuse, yeah? The a can be opposite or adjacent. It's up to you. This one is from grade 7 or grade 8, if I'm not mistaken, yeah? Okay, so since this one, we can assume the a as opposite, the b is adjacent, so we can say that this one a square plus m square minus n square to the powers of 2 equals to m square plus n square to the powers of 2. Okay, then let's move this one over there. So the simple one is a square equals to m square plus n square to the powers of 2 minus m square minus n square to the power. There is two methods for this case. You can expand this, yeah, which is will be long, and then you will deal with the big uh, index, yeah, or you can use the smart move by using algebraic identities. We assume this one a square a, and we assume this one b. If you kind of confused with another a or b, so we can use p and or q, yeah. So in algebraic identities, it says that if you have p square minus q square, so it can be factorizing by p minus q times p plus q. So based on this, we assume this one p, this one is q. So if we put it into this factorization form, so this one will be, the first one is the whole thing p, which is m square plus n square minus m square minus n square times p plus q. So this is m square plus n square plus m square minus n square. Yeah. Then this one we expand first, since we have negative. So a square equals to m square plus n square minus m square plus n square times m square plus n square plus m square minus n square. This one, there is no expansion. Yeah. Now, in here, the n square we can cancel out. Yeah, give us m square plus m square, which is 2m square. This one m square we can cancel out. Will give us 2n square. So for this, a square equals to 2n square times 2m square. So if we times this one directly, so a square will be 4m square n square. Then we put it into the square root of 4m square n square, which is will be 4mn. So the opposite sides will be 4mn. It's simple, yeah, using identities. But if you cannot using identities, you just can expand this, yeah, then you just minus. But later on it will be a long word, yeah. So now let's go back to the questions. We want to find the sine q. So since the opposites already we got already, so 4mn. So now sine q will be opposite 4mn over the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is m square plus n square. Oh, sorry, this one, why is still 4? Yeah, I mean, so it's supposed to be 2, yeah. My mistake. We forgot to put the square. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So, a little bit nervous. Okay. So the real answer is 2mn over m square plus n square. Okay. Yep. So this is the combinations of trigonometry and algebra. Yeah. So quadratics and algebraic identities. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching and listening. Yeah. So if you feel like any other questions that you want me to discuss or to put some videos, so just write your comment below. Yeah. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you everyone. See you on the next meeting. Me, Mr. D. Bye bye.